How to stop Temu emails. First thing first, go ahead and open the Temu app. Once inside, you need to go into your account. To do that, click on the U button at the very bottom of the screen. Then click on the gear icon on the top right corner. Next, you need to open the notification setting. To do that, simply tap on the notification. Once you have done that, you will see a list of various notifications you may be receiving from the Temu app. From this notification, the most commonly received notification will be coming from your promotions. So click on that option. Once you are inside your promotions, you can see and change which option you have enabled. From this option, you can see the email button at the bottom of your screen. So what you have to simply do here is just toggle off the email options. Or if you want to turn it off totally, just tap on the toggle icon of the push notification or turn off any option that have been enabled. But if you want to just disable the email, you can tap on the push notification and in-app notification, turning off the email only. So do that same for the order updates. After that, same for the chat messages as well. Tap on the toggle icon of the email and it will be turned off. And that's how you can stop getting emails from Temu. With that being said, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.